Hi everyone, welcome back to this quick guide for using the new FlexUI CMS system. In this video, I'm going to cover how to move, copy, or delete a component. For the full instructions of this topic, be sure to see the UB Web Management site at this link above. So to start off, I'm going to go into the CMS, and I'm logged in from FlexUI. I'm going to start in the Sites console. I'm going to navigate to the page where I want to move, copy, or delete a component. I'm going to use these test pages right here. I'm going to open one of them in order to edit it. So as you can see on this test page, I have a title component, a body text component, a list builder component, one of the most common components that are used on the website. First, we're going to simply move one of these components on our page. And so the first method that you can use to move is drag and drop, where you select a component. So I'm going to select this body text component using your mouse, and you drag it to where you want it to go, and then you release it. Second method is to cut and paste a component. So to cut a component, click on the component, and then this component's toolbar will open up. So to cut, you're going to select the scissors icon, and then to paste it using the clipboard icon on the component you want to put it above. So in this case, I want to put mine in between test one and the list builder. So I'm going to click the list builder component and paste. So that way the body text gets pasted above it. You can also cut and paste using the keyboard shortcuts introduced before in the using keyboard shortcuts video. In order to do this, select the component you want to copy. Use Control X to cut. And again, wherever you want to put it, Control V to paste. So if you want to copy a component, you can either select a component and then click copy, which is this button on the command toolbar. Kind of looks like a black piece of paper over a white piece of paper. So select that. And then above whatever component you want to copy it, do that, and then click the paste button again on the command toolbar. You can see there's my title again. And again, you can use a keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to click on my component, use Control C, and then wherever I want to paste it, use Control V. And there it is. So if you want to delete a component, which I definitely want to do since this page looks pretty funky now, what you're going to do is you're going to select a component, and then you can click the trash can icon. I'll give you this little prompt to make sure you want to delete it. And if you want to move, copy, or delete many components at a time, you can select more than one by holding down the Control or Command key. So I'm going to delete this test component, and I'm also going to select this list builder component. And then you can delete them as well. If you don't like a change you made or you want to complete it again, you can undo an action by clicking the undo arrow on the command menu at the top of the page, which is right here. I'm going to undo what I did. And then if you want to redo, again, here's the redo button on the command. And then finally, say you want to move or copy a component or multiple components to another page. You can use the same methods to paste your component onto the new page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select two components from this first test page. So I'm going to select the title, and I'm going to click my copy button and go back to the Sites console in the content tree. I'm going to select my other test page. And so on this page, I can paste my two components. And again, you can always use the keyboard shortcut of using Control or Command plus C to copy a test page, and then using Control plus V to paste the component onto your new page.